Welcome to our video on dining table design ideas that will transform your dining space into a stylish and inviting area. Whether you are looking to create a cozy family dining space or a sophisticated setting for entertaining, we have got you covered. Let's dive right into some fantastic dining table design inspirations. A sleek, simple dining table with green lines and a neutral color palette can make a small dining area feel open and spacious. It's perfect for those who prefer a contemporary and uncluttered look. Next up, we have a dining table with rustic charm. Wooden table with distressed finishes and natural textures create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Pair it with mismatched chair for an eclectic feel. If you are a fan of farmhouse aesthetics, a farmhouse style dining table might be the way to go. These tables often feature turned legs and a distressed white finish, and they look stunning when combined with classic leather black chairs. For those who love the industrial look, consider an industrial chic dining table. The combination of metal and wood, often with an aged appearance, gives your dining area a trendy and urban look feel. Add some metal chairs to complete the look. Glass dining tables are perfect for creating an airy and sophisticated atmosphere. They come in various shapes such as round, oval, or rectangular. Pair them with contemporary chairs to achieve a high and elegant look. Don't forget that you can always opt for a customized dining table. This allows you to select the material size and shape that perfectly fits your space and style. The possibilities are endless when you go for a personalized touch. If space is a concern, consider a space saving dining table. Drop leaf extendable or foldable tables are excellent choices. They can be expanded when needed and neatly tucked away when not in use, making them perfect for small homes. For those who believe that less is more, we have a minimalist design. This dining table exemplifies simplicity and elegance. The smooth, uncluttered lines paired with a monochromatic color palette creating a soothing, zen like atmosphere. Now, let's talk about industrial chic. This design is all about combining raw industrial elements with refined finishes. As you can see, this dining table features a mix of metal and wood. It's perfect for those who love the urban loft style aesthetic. So there you have it, a diverse range of dining table designs that can inspire you next time home improvement project. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic design ideas. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know in which dining table design you loved the most. Until next time, happy designing.